Okay, we're just going to do a quick video on how to create a new page. We won't worry about it getting it on a menu or being able to access it for the moment, but just at the moment we're going to click on Pages and we'll click on Add New. And it takes a few seconds, and you can use some of the nice layouts that are down here. They're very easy to work with, and you just kind of click on things and change them to what you want. So let me just maybe take this one here, a gallery with description, maybe gallery with description and a button. So we'll go with that one. In here we're going to put in our own text, and in here we'll say the steak restaurant, and then you can put in your own text here. Beef. And then you put in your other bits and pieces. Now, obviously, we don't want these photographs, and you put in your own text, but it's very handy. You can just sort of make some changes in here. So when we click on this one here, there's an option to replace. So we just click on Replace, and we can use some free photographs that they have available to us, and I might put in, hopefully they've got a steak in here. Yep. And so we can click on that, and then we can choose Select. And then we close out of here. And you can see then we go through each of these. Now, some of these have different options on them here, and we could do this, but for the moment we're not going to fuss about this, and we could change the links. But for the moment, that's all we're going to do. There are lots of options in here. We could add a block if we wanted. We could add a block, we could put in a paragraph, put in a quote, different bits and pieces as a heading, etc. So let's just choose a paragraph, and then we click and drag it, and we decide where it's going to go. I think we'll put it in down here. And so in here we'll say a little more. And you can decide the other bits and pieces you want in there. So you just click on these. These are really, really simple. If you've ever used sort of word processing or PowerPoint, you can kind of get your way around these quite handily. And when you're happy with the layout, and obviously you change all the photographs, etc., you can preview it. And we can look at it on desktop or tablet or mobile. How's this looking on mobile? Okay, it's quite long. The text we have is quite long. Go back to desktop again, and then we can publish it, and we can say publish. Okay, so again, just to be aware, it's very easy to make some changes to these, and I'd like you just to create 1 or 2 pages just as a practice. Now, to go back to, you're thinking, where is that menu gone? You click on the little tab up here and click on View Pages, and that takes you back into the background again.